Okay guys, normally I do not make videos like this, but I did pull Aki twice, so that's pretty cool. I basically have all the Chainsaw Man collabs and Chainsaw Man orbs and whatnot, and I do got the Pochita badge. Yeah, that team, I don't know how to utilize this team, but this team sucks. I don't know. Is this Makima's coat? I'm trying to remember. Yeah. But I do have a bunch of characters, but I don't know what to do with them. So I did group them all, so. Yeah, is this? Oh, I thought this was Bochi. I was about to say, like, when did I put Bochi? But, um, yeah, there's a bunch of characters. Also a random Hello Kitty. Okay. But, yeah. Alright, back to the subject. That wasn't the main point. The main point is, I wanted to summon on this New Year 2024 egg machine because I want to get this 10-star unit. I don't know if this 10-star unit's good. I just know he's a 10-star. And I don't know if I have a 10-star unit or not. Do I? Wait, how many stars is Jonathan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so it's 8 stars. I don't think I have a 10-star. I might have. Unless Denji is a 10-star, but I actually don't know. Okay, that's... Oh, but we could do 5 polls. Do I really want to do 5 polls, though? Screw it, we'll do it. Okay, I'm hoping for the 10-star. It's not a 10-star, but it looks like a cool design, though. Well-wishing draconic songs. Okay, I don't know this character is good. That's the downside of this. You never know what character is good. Okay. This one I'm not even gonna bother. Yeah. Nope, they don't really care about this one. Okay. Oh, 10-star? That's not the 10-star. But it looks cool though. I guess that's all that matters. So let me see. I guess that's all that matters. Now, to be honest, the 10-star could be strong or could be weak. Is that a dude or a girl? Okay, that's a girl. Okay. We got a new orb. Nice. Is this the New Year orb? I actually don't know. I feel like I have her already. I could be wrong. Let's see if I do. Oh no, I don't. Okay. That's one, and it's a 10-star. It's a 10-star. I'm calling it right now. It's a 10-star. Dang it. I don't know who this is. I guess that's good. Okay, remove locks, changes out orbs to random orbs, and yeah. Great. I don't know if that was worth it. We'll do one more. Because, why not? This is definitely it. This is definitely the 10-star. Oh, come on. It's the same unit? Okay, that's kind of lame. Okay. We'll do one more. Because that was a dupe unit. I don't like dupe units. Oh, okay. You know what? No. Oh, that looks like a cool design, though. That looks like a cool design. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't follow. You guys could trade it. I don't know. We got the Lunar New Year celebration. We have Mika. We're gonna use the Chainsaw Man collabs. Because, why not? I don't. It's a one-shot. Let's see how well they do with this. Wow, great. Took some of my health out. Okay, let's see if we could one-shot this. was pretty bad. Okay. Yeah, I don't know how to utilize this team. I could have probably done better. I got a bunch of gold dragons. Okay. We could have done better, but I don't know. Oh no, I'm not doing 16 battles. That I'm not doing. Okay. We could do the New Year dungeon. Oh, psych. Okay, I'll show you how to do the Pochita battle. I didn't show you guys last time. I'm not using this Chainsaw Man team. I'm gonna use my main team. I could use a stronger team, but I'd rather use my main team. Okay. Wait, did 7? Okay. This sucks that you can't. How do you get this Pochita guy? Because he's really strong. I think he's stronger than the denji unit right now. You know what? I'm gonna try. Okay. I know this is probably bad. I'm gonna look for the. Wait, let me see what Pochita does actually. Is that his leader skill? Whatever. I'm gonna try to find. Because I already beat this stage. There's no point in me trying again. I'm gonna see if one of these dungeons have like it's normally one of these collab. Okay, let's go to collab. It's either the first one or the second one. Chainsaw Man or Devil. I don't know what this has. Let's see what this has. Bruh. Okay, let's try again. Okay, you know what? I don't know what I'm gonna put the dragon. Okay, what does this one have? Chainsaw Man Club Super guaranteed to drop 100% skill up rates. Oh, this one does egg machine dose. We'll do that one. This one's only 4 battles. This one shouldn't be too hard. Yeah, okay. That shouldn't be too hard. Jonathan should easily beat this. What? Negates combos for 3 turns. What? Okay. Bro, how come none of these characters aren't in the egg machine? They look so cool. Alright, what was your thing? I didn't read it. Okay. 3 combos added for 3 turns. Pierce to enemies, damage void for 3 turns. Subtract the. I'm not reading all that. Something 3 combos. Yeah, that didn't. Okay. Are you serious? Ah, screw it. I don't. I already got other Chainsaw Man. There's no point in doing. Wait. Oh, you could get characters from this. Oh. So you could get the Bat character. What's in this one? Oh, so you could get characters from this. Okay, we'll do the first one. The first one's not guaranteed anything, so this stage should be a little bit easier. I think it's similar. Yeah, it's similar. Okay. We'll do a quick one of this. This should be pretty easy, right? It still stops halfway? What? That's so dumb. That's really dumb. It should be pretty easy. But it's the same character, so I think you're this one or this you're guaranteed 2 characters. Yeah, it's the same character, so is it like guarantee you? I don't know where this is going. where there's a katana dude. We're not doing that last time we died from doing that. Okay. Oh, not enough combos. Whatever, it's fine. We should survive this one. Okay, or destroy him, whatever. What? He still has them? Okay. 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 I see what we're doing here. Okay, at least we have Miku next time, so we should be fine. If this doesn't come, I'm just done with this game. Yeah. Okay, who's the boss? Oh. Makes sense. I don't even know why I questioned that. Okay. No, we can't finish him with this. We have Jonathan, so we'll be fine. Unless he one-shots me, then we won't be fine. Okay. How many... Dang it, we barely... Okay. Let's see. Hopefully we survive this. Organ... Okay, that's not... This is not gonna kill us, right? Okay, we're good. We're still good. Okay. Boom. We should be good with this. Okay. Yeah. Okay, what do we get with this? Probably nothing, but that's okay. We got a coin and another coin. Oh, so this doesn't guarantee coins. Okay. Okay. Okay, well. Oh, wait, okay. I don't know what that said. This Japanese. Okay. Can we exchange anything with this? Okay, collab. Oh, wow, we could get the... Wait, I have this coin. I have like 27 of these coins. Okay, so you could get materials in this. I never bothered checking these. What? Wait. Oh, wow, this is really so... I have this character. Oh, no, I don't. Okay. Wait, what? Okay, this one's not bad. That artwork's not that bad. Okay. For this is why I won it. It showed on the title screen. I was like, where is this? Oh. Okay, well, I'm not using Kobani, so I could get rid of some of these guys. Angel Devil, I do have, so I have two of him. And then I do not have this card. I thought I did. It says it shows one here. Do I not have it? Okay, first, let's take out the Angel Devil real quick. Just place a random guy. Okay. And let's change it back to normal. So let's go to... Oh, wait. Oh, wait, I gotta... How do I change back? Okay. So we should have two, right? Oh, freak. We do not have two. What is this? This is what is happening? We should have two, right? Why is this still a feather? Okay. Okay, wait, let's just go back. Okay, at least it's not assisting no more. So we should be good. What is happening? Okay. No. Okay. Jeez. Why is it still locked? Okay. Because I really want that card. Okay, let's go to shop. Monster exchange. Oh, we can't get it. Nice, 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 nice. Because I really want this arc. Oh, what is happening? Do not do it? I want this card. Oh, they're all favorite. That's why. Okay, I don't really need company because I already have her. I don't want this guy because I don't use him. Oh, wait, we could use any of these guys? I don't not use 12. Oh, she's on the team. Okay, never mind. She might be good, or whoever this is, but I'm trying to sell dupes, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That should be enough, right? 1, 2, 3. I have 5. What are you talking about? Bro, they want me to sell one more? 1, 2, 3. Am I tripping? Bro, I'm tripping. What? Okay. Oh, it says 6. It shows 5 here, though. And okay. Okay, whatever. It says... okay. I really want that character, though. Okay. Bro, what team is Tuava in? Is she in the helper? No. Let's check. Oh, she's in this team. I don't really use her. Okay. Also, I did pull Alexander the Great. Look at this. Who is this? Okay. Let's go back. And shop, exchange. Okay, now we should be good. I do have her orb, so it'll be fine if I... Yes. Now look at that artwork. Okay, now we could put that in our Chainsaw Man, and hopefully that does somewhat better than this team. This team sucks. Okay, let's go back to Chainsaw Man. Where's that group? Perfect. Gotta say, this artwork looks so cool, though. I don't want to level them and break it because I don't know if it's good yet. So is this a 10 star? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got our first 10 star, maybe. I don't know. Okay. You know what? We'll do it. I already have enough coins, anyways. What am I still maxing? Okay. That might be worth it. I do not know. So we got that. And we got might as well. I have 23 of these. So I could get more Pochita badge and get, or not really get, I could get this. I don't want this though. Wait. Yeah, I don't really, it improves, true, it improves thing, but I do not need it. Bro, I have that black coin. I'm not tripping. I do have that black coin. Okay. Event. Okay, this event. I didn't even do anything in this. Oh, wow. We can exchange a lot of characters. Not really, but... Well, you could sell dupes or characters you don't want. You get Rainbow Jet. Okay. Oh, this is how you get the black coin. How many black coins do I... Okay, well... Do I really want... Okay, do I really want Himeno? Nigusta, let's see. Attack increased by the number of balance types in team. For 5 turns, move lock changes orbs to blah blah blah. Okay, I don't not know if this is good or not. Attack increased by the number of balance types in your team. Who's a balance type? Okay. Makima's balance. Devil. Attacker. Devil and attacker. And devil balance. I guess that might be good. I would see later. Okay. Let's test it in... People told me to use endless whatever. I don't know what's called. Where is it? Endless corridor. I'm not using super gravity because screw super... Oh, you know what? There's Gojo. I just saw Gojo, but Okay, let's see. I do not know what that is. Okay, I think we'll be fine in the... I do not know if that team had a leader score or not. We should be fine for the quest, though. Give us our 5 jump. You know what? We'll use Gojo. Screw it. Let's go Murasaki. I really wanted Gojo, but I missed the collab, so... Bro, Denji and Aki would be pretty good if the turn wasn't this slow. Okay. 15 turns to do whatever that was. Okay. 2 times max HP and board becomes 7 for 3 turns. What do you mean 2 times max HP and then you minus my HP? Oh wait, I guess I can increase my HP. Oh, it does become max. Or I don't know. I don't care. Okay. Guys, what is this? Oh, this chainsaw man collapse. What's happening? I want to try to at least get enough for Aki then. Bro, don't tell me Gojo is gonna solo carry this. Bro, how is Gojo better than Denji? I mean, makes sense now that I think about it. Okay, hopefully we survive for one more turn. Or just survive one last turn. Good. No. Okay. That's all he does. I mean, I guess that's good. I don't know what I was expecting. Oh, Miami did nothing. He did nothing. What? Bro, the Chainsaw Man Club sucks. What was that? What was that? Am I not utilizing the team right? Whatever. I don't really care. Well, the whole point of this game was to collect my favorite characters, so I guess it all worked out. What is this question mark? Okay. Oh, okay, boy. Okay. And then I guess I do not know how to utilize this team or this game because he would tell me to use this. It did not help me at all, but which I got a bunch of copies of random characters, but yeah, that didn't help. Okay. Well, hopefully see you guys later and bye. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well.